Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make long words or text fit inside a single cell in Microsoft Excel. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Microsoft Excel software on your respective computer. So now you can see here multiple number of cells. So we're gonna use only a single cell. So you can see here. So here I'm gonna type one long text or word just to give you an example. So I've given one name like UniqueTutorials, right? So now you can see this text is quite long and it does not fit in a single cell and it's occupying two cells, right? So in order to make such long words or text fit inside a single cell, what you need to do is, for the first method, just select the text. And after that, you can see here one option written wrap text. Just click on it. Now it will be fit in a single cell. So now you can see it is fitted in the single cell. So the second method, what you can do is just select the text or a long words. And after that, you can see here on the right side format. Just click on this down arrow icon. And now you can see here format cells. Just click on it. Now just click on this alignment option. And now just untick this wrap text and just select this shrink to fit. And now just click on OK. Now you can see here it has shrink the size of my long words or text and it has fit inside a single cell. Now if you want to adjust the cell size, then just place your mouse cursor on this particular line, and once you see the two left and right arrow icon appearing, then you can just press the left mouse button and you can just drag it to adjust the cell size, but still it will be in a single cell. So by using these two methods, you can easily make long words or text fit inside a single cell in Microsoft Excel very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.